Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install a software through which you can download unlimited paid games and apps that is free of any cost you need to pay. It is free of any cost and can be downloaded in any Android emulator or any Android platform whichever phone you have. Before starting the video, it's a humble request from me to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, please click on the bell icon to get the notification of the video first. So let's begin with the video. Click on the Google here in the search bar right here, Happy Mode APK download. Click on the first link whichever you get. Here you can see download app 8.1 MB. It's completely free. You can see here also it's completely free. Click here. Click on download. Now click on open button. Now click on install. This will be installed in just few seconds or minutes depending on the RAM of your phone. You can see this will be complete in just few seconds. The app is installed successfully. Click on done. Go back to your home screen. Click on happy mode. It is free. You can choose any of the button, but I thought you need to click on the Danny button. That's good for you also. You can see here also no virus, no malware, no spyware. Skip the ad. You can download any paid game or app. By the way, let me search for anyone. Like I search for the Minecraft. You can see here also. If we download this game from the Play Store, it will cost us above 500, and here you can download it for free. Just click on download. Allow the app. Installing will begin. You can see here also. After the installing will be completed, just the way we have installed the happy mode, as same as you need to install the Minecraft also. Let me show you more apps and games here, like the way GTA San Andreas. Let me search it. Here you can see GTA San Andreas. My phone's RAM is low, so that's the way it gets too strucky. You can see here also 1.78 GB. It is also totally free, and it is also here's also a mode which gives you unlimited money also, or you can download the original version also. By the way, I can't download it because the memory of my phone is less. So let me show you the Minecraft. Click on settings. Just allow from this source. Click on install. As same as you can also download this. This is a very simple app. Depending again on your RAM, the speed get too slow. As the way you can see my Minecraft is installed. So let me show you it's working or not, because after that you will tell me that, because I will ensure you 100% that the app is working 100%. You can see it is working. Let the processing be finished. Click on play. Create. I will just show you how to play it and create the survival mode. I'm creating the survival mode only. You can play this with your friends also. Loading the resources packs. Just see, this may take few minutes loading resources. So let me go back and show you more features of this happy mode. You can download any of the mode with the unlimited games, like the way I'm search for the talking tom cat. You can see here mode unlimited food and apps. Like the way you can get a mode unlimited food and money. Each and every game has the mode and original version also. Like the way here we can search for the games like the e-soccer. You can get the mode versions also with the unlimited money, like the car parking with the unlimited money. Here the ad comes. Okay, so from here I am going to stop the video and hope you enjoy the video and get some knowledge to download the free apps and games. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.